Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Amica Mutual Claim Status Tracking easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Amica Mutual Insurance and hit enter. Navigate to the official Amica website. Once on the home page, look for the Claims section in the menu. Click on the Claims section to access claim-related information. Scroll down until you find the Claim Status Tracking option. Click on Claim Status to proceed to the tracking page. On the Claim Status page, locate the Login area. If you already have an account, enter your credentials in the login fields. If you do not have an account, look for the option to create one. Click on Create Account and fill in the required information. This usually includes your policy number, personal details, and email address. After completing the form, submit it to create your account. Once logged in, return to the Claim Status page. Enter your claim number in the designated field. Make sure to double-check your claim number for accuracy. Click the Track Claim button to view the status. Your claim status will now be displayed on the screen. Take note of any additional information provided regarding your claim. If you have any questions, consider using the contact options available on the website. This completes the installation of Amica Mutual Claim Status Tracking. You can now easily track your claim status anytime you need. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.